Hi, this is Ken from Ken's Horticultural Services and KelownaGardens.com. Today we're looking at the old-fashioned hollyhock. Just quite an interesting plant. They're quite lovely. They'll bloom off and on whenever they reach maturity. This is a lovely red-colored one. But typical of the hollyhocks, they will bloom anywhere up the stem from low to high. There's some blooming up quite high on this plant. But very, very drought-tolerant plant. These plants are best grown with really minimal water. So in the hot areas and desert climates, they actually do quite well. Sometimes when they're given too much water, they actually develop rust on the leaves, especially if there's a lot of spraying water around. This one doesn't get too much water, but it gets a little bit. And so typical of all the hollyhock families is they will tend to seed quite a bit around the garden. And because they have such a massive root, that you're usually wise to pull out the seedlings that you don't want, identify them early and get rid of them. But other than that, they're kind of a fun plant to have, really no care whatsoever, and they come in a multitude of different colors, so it's kind of a cool plant. So that's the hollyhock today, the Alcea family. Very, very interesting plant, but really easy. It's just the old-fashioned garden hollyhock. But thanks very much for tuning in today, and remember to stay in tune with KelownaGardens.com for all your gardening needs.